Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to add multiple sheet on a single click of button. Right, let's see the VBA code for the same thing. So firstly we have initializing the variable for loop count dim I as a integer. Right, we have initializing the variable I as integer for loop count. Now dim name as string for sheet name. That right, whatever the sheet name user will be enter over there, it will be get initialized into name integer. Right, so after that we have taken string as a sheet count. Right, sorry, we can take here integer because the sheet count will be in integer. Right, after that we have taken input box to ask the user, means how many number of sheets you want to add. Right, after that means if the user want to add 5 sheet, then in a dialog input box we have to enter the number 5. Right, after that it will be get check the condition. If the user inputs count of sheet count will be greater than 0, then this condition will be executed. Right, firstly it will check the condition. If the sheet count is greater than 0, then this condition will be get executed. Right, after that we have firstly initialize the variable I for loop from 1 to total number of sheet count. Means suppose if a user want to add total sheet 5, right, then the loop will be get executed 5 times. For loop will be get executed 5 times. Right, now in this statement the sheet will be get added after the sheets count. Right, means suppose if here total sheet is 1 and user want to add 5 sheet, then firstly it will count the total number of sheet present currently over here, then it will get added the sheet after sheet count. Right, now it in this statement user asking from user that please enter the sheet name, whatever the sheet you want to add, name of that sheet we need to give over here. Right, after that the active sheet name will be get initialized in this variable and it will be get change over here. Right, in active sheet. Now after that the same condition will be for loop will be get variable will be get increment by 1. Right, if here we have taken already 1, then it will be after executing this statement the I will be get increment by 1, means it will be get initialized to 2 and 3 and so on. Right, and after loop from exiting of loop, the message box will be show to us that sheets has been added successfully. Let's see how the VBA code is working in the execution mode. Step info F8 F8 F8. Now it will be ask the user to enter the sheet count. Like if we want to add 3 sheet, then we have to give here 3, then okay. After that now the sheet count is 3, means it is greater than 0. Now the condition is true. Now the statement will be further executed. Like now I is already 1, 2, loop will be executed 3 times, means we have taken I 1 to sheet count, means sheet count we have already given to this program that we need to count only 3 sheet, means we need to add only 3 more sheet over here. So for loop will be get executed 3 times, means here condition is true. 1 2 sheet count is 3. So now F8 sheet will be get added. Right, now it will ask the user to enter the sheet name. As you can see over here the sheet is added. Right, please enter the sheet name. Raw data, we are giving the sheet name as a raw data. Enter. Right, now the active sheet name will be get changed. As you can see behind the sheet name is get change. Now I already was 1. After executing this statement or line of code, it will be get initialized to increment by 1 and it will be changed to I will be changed to 2. As you can see the I is now 2. Now again it will get added. It will ask the user please enter the sheet name as a sales data we are giving over here. Right, now okay, or we can also do enter press enter, right? Now again asking the seat name to the user, it is done. Now I will be, earlier was 2, after statement execution of this statement I will be get increment by 1, and it will be get after increment it will be done 3, right? Now as you can see I is increment by 3, right? Enter the seat name, the new, asking the user to enter the seat name which is already added over here. As you can see seat 19, right? Now seat name will be department sales, right? Now done. Now the seat name has been changed to active seat name has been changed. Now I is now 3, and after this statement I will be get 4, right? Means we will exit the loop because here we have already taken I 1 2 3, right? Now statement will be get false and will be show the message to us after execution of this line of code, right? Now you can see the we have I equal to 4. Now loop get exit, right? Because we have given already 1 2 3. Now message box will be show to us seat has been added successfully. As you can see 3 more seat has been added, right? Now okay, right? So now we initialize over here a button by which on a single click it can be work automatically, right? Now we are going into design mode. Now text edit, add seat, add shwts seats, right? Now coming out from the design mode, right? Now we are going to close this window. Now add assigning the macro as add seat which we have already create, right? Now we will click over here. If we want to add seat count over here 2, then we need to give and seat count 2, right? It will ask the seat name as user, right? Now seat name 2 sales all, right? Seats has been added successfully. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. For the new users, need to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.